Assalamu alaikum food lovers. Welcome back to High on Food, where we bring you the joy of homemade goodness. Today we are diving into the world of DIY chocolate magic with the recipe that bounds to make your taste buds dance, homemade bounty bars. First things first, mix together the 250 grams of shredded coconut with 100 ml of condensed milk. This creates that luscious coconutty filling that we all love. Flip it and we'll add the remaining condensed milk. By this you can mix it properly without forming crumbs. Now mix it properly so that it's combined nice and sweet. Now take a small amount of coconut mixture and form it into those iconic bounty bar shapes. Don't be shy, make them as big or as small as you want. It's all about customizing it as per your liking. Don't forget to wet your hands between this process so it doesn't stick. Like this, you can form any shape you want. Time to give these beauties their chocolate coats. Melt your favorite chocolate, whether it's dark milk or white chocolate. Be generous with that chocolate first of all, and then dip each coconut bar until it's fully coated. Just like this. I'm using a spoon and a fork to coat it properly. It on butter paper so it won't get stuck. If you want that satisfying crunch, coat it properly and be generous with the chocolate. Repeat the process with other bars. With the help of fork and spoon you can dip it properly, as you can see in this video. And now with the help of fork or knife you can make these lines just like bounty bars. After making lines, pop these bars into the fridge and let the chocolate set. And there you have it, your very own homemade bounty bars. It's healthy, it's sweet, and if you enjoyed this sweet adventure, give it a thumbs up, share with your fellow chocolate lovers, and subscribe for more homemade goodness. Until next time, keep spreading the joy of homemade treats. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.